What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to edit PDF files on the Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. So here I have the free version of Adobe Acrobat opened and I have a PDF file opened. And to edit it, you'll need to get the Acrobat Pro, so the Pro or paid version of the Acrobat Reader. So let me show you. So here, if I tap on Edit, I can choose like the words, but I cannot edit them. If I type on the keyboard, it'll not be edited. So it'll tell me here, there's a pop-up at the bottom right corner here where it says that I need the premium version of the Acrobat Reader to start editing or replacing text. And it gives me an option here to start a free trial of the Adobe Acrobat Pro. And if you look at the bottom left corner, you'll see here a button that says a free 7-day trial if I want to edit text, images, pages, and more. So that's a trial for the Acrobat Pro. So if you need to edit like PDF files, replace text, images, and so on, you'll need to get the Pro version, that's the Adobe Acrobat Pro.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.